Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to create a login and sign up form using Elementor for free. Let me show you the form I created for you guys. So let me show you the form. Here it is the form that I created for you guys. You can see here is the login form and here is the registration form. Username, email and password and register. From here you just need to log in. So I will log in only. I will just go to dashboard and then I will go to the plugins, then click on add new plugin. So I will show you how we can create a login and sign up form using the Elementor plugin. So we need to search for Essential Addons. So here is the plugin Essential Addons for Elementor by WP Developer. So after that you need to go to that plugin on Essential Addons on your dashboard, then go to Elements, then search for login and register. So you need to, by default it is turned off, you need to make sure this login and registration form is turned on. So after that you need to make save settings. So make sure it is turned it on. Many guys think that the Essential Addons registration form needs a pro feature, but it is free. So you need to then go to your templates. So after that I will delete these two. So I made it for you guys, so I will make it, sorry for that, I will move it to trash and then click on apply. Okay, so then click on add new template. Then from template section you need to choose section, then give it a name, your template login, then click on create template. So after that you need to search login or registration form on your search widget. So just give me a few seconds, and then from here in search widget search for login, and here it is login register form. So drag and drop it here. So here you can see here is our login form. So from default form tab you can give it a registration or you can give it a login. So now from here we can play with these sections. So just scroll down, so you can see these sections. Just go to form header content. From here, so you can see here is form header content, so we can insert an image on left side or right side. So let me show you. So here you can see our image comes on left side and the login form goes on right side. So I will remove it from here. So from here we can insert our logo. So I will insert my logo. As I showed you in the demo, my logo was there. So let me insert the logo. So you can see here it is the logo, so you can see, and then scroll down, you can see these are the options, so you can explore as you like. So from here you can see the login form fields, So you can make the input field width to 7755 as you like. I will make it 100 so it looks good here. So after that, scroll down and explore all the options as you like. So after that, go to Style tab. So you can change the color of the placeholder of the button, anything you like. So let me show you the button color. So you can change the button color from here as well as you like. So you can see, let me make the background tab. So let me make the color, so you can see the color is now black, the button color. So I will keep it default as it is. So you can explore all these options. So I will publish it. So I created the login form and I will go back and I will create a new template and I will give it a section and I will write register. So I will click on create template. The same process as we created the login form. So from the fields we will choose registration. So here it is, our registration. From default form tab, I will click on registration. So here it is, our registration form. So anyone can register into our website. So I will publish it. Then I will go back. So after that, I will create a new page. From here, I already created the login page. So I will trash this page and I will create a new page. And I will give it a name login or anything you want. So I will give it a name login. So then after that I will click on edit with Elementor. So from here I will click on edit with Elementor. So from here I will click on edit with Elementor and I will go to the settings. Just go to the settings. From here just scroll down. From here is your page layout and make this one Elementor canvas. So I don't need header and footer in this page. So I will make it Elementor canvas. So from here search for tabs and drag and drop advanced tabs by EA. So you can see there are 3 tabs. So I will go to content, I will remove one of them and I will go to tab 1 and I will give it a title login, and the content tab I will go to save templates and I will search for login. So here it is, our login form, and I will go to tab 2 and the same process I will give it a name register or sign up, and then I will go to content tab, I will make it save template, and I will search for another template, that is register. So here it is, our register form. So register form and the login form, and I will just go to the general settings. I will scroll down. I will go to the style tab, and I will, this is the caret, the arrow of mark, so I will remove the caret from here. So it's removed now. So I will remove the icons as well. So just go to content. I will remove the icon from login, and I will remove the icon from register as well. So you can see here it is. So I will make the width little bit here, so I will make it 500, so it looks good now. So check the registration form. So I will give it a margin as well from top. So let me make it 50. I think 80 would be great. Yeah, 80. So I will publish it. So just go to the style tab, and from here, yeah, just go to here, and then from style tab, let me change the tab title color, and so I will go here. So let me make this one, yeah, this color. So I will make it login and register. So it looks good now. So let's update this. You can see here it is. So let me go back, and I will log out from here. So I will log out from here. From here I will search for WordPress, and I will search for login again. So let me remove this one. So you can see here it is, our form. So the login and register. So you can register as well, and you can log in as well. So I will log in again. Here it is. So let me go back to my dashboard. Here it is. So I will show you the another way, another plugin, so that will create login and sign up form as well for us. So you need to go to the plugins, then go to add new plugin, and then search for HTMega. So here is the plugin HTMega Absolute Add-ons for Elementor. I already installed and activated. So you need to choose any one of these plugins to make a sign up or registration or login form. So go to the templates, then click on save templates, then click on add new template, then choose section, then I will name it login 1, and click on create template. So it's the same process as we made the first form. We will create the login form. We will make the two templates for login and register, and then we make a page. The same process as we did for the first one. So the style is little bit changed here for the login and registration forms, but the process is the same. So let me, sorry for my internet, so let me refresh my tab. Yeah, from here I will search for login. So you can see user login from and the upper right corner HT. So I will drag and drop this one, and you can see here is the style 1, style 2, style 3. So you can use any one of these plugins to make your registration or login form. So, and we will create the register template, then we will create the page, and we will use the tabs. We will show our login and registration form to our users. Thank you so much for watching this video.